remove the front handle, there are 6 screws in total, 2 on the sides and 4 down the front. They're all 4mm heads. Let's go ahead and remove them. Once all 6 screws are removed, you can pull it away from the body and just make sure you remove the logo light. To reinstall the new handle, first you're going to place the logo light into the gaps and it'll click into place. So first you're going to place your logo light bracket into the gap, and then you're going to make sure that your cables are properly routed, and then lift the handle onto the wheel. Once it clicks into place, we'll then go ahead and secure our 6 screws. We'll do it by hand to make sure that we get it in the right spot first, and then we'll cinch it down once they're all in place. Now, some of the handles you may need to pull outwards a little bit to align the holes. So make sure you align the screw holes and then cinch them down. Once you have all the 4 front screws put in, we can tighten it slowly before we put the 2 top screws on.